Video. Okay, so here we are. We are here to see off our friends, Oliver, Jules, Ali Alam, and we all of us. We are here from CMI, good friends, and we are at Faisal Masjid, and we are here to see off our friends for the Punjab karakoram bike packing. So Pakistan, Zindabad. Pakistan, Zindabad. Pakistan, Zindabad. Pakistan, Zindabad. Okay, thank you guys. We are now heading towards Constitution Avenue, and we'll have some photographs over there in front of the Parliament, and then we'll continue. So Zahra is the lead, or maybe Dog Saab. Thank you guys. So here am I. I don't want to miss myself. It's very important to also be part of this wonderful group. Thank you.